Hello and welcome to part 2 of the chapter Triangles. In today's part, we are going to see basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. Thales was a great mathematician. This theorem is popularly known as BPT. Let's see the statement of the theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Let's see the figure. What it says is there is a line L which intersects AB and AC in points D and E respectively. And that line L is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. What is given to us is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, EN is perpendicular to AB, and DM is perpendicular to AC. We have done some construction there. Join BE and CD. What is asked to prove is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. What we'll do is we'll select two triangles, one with AD as the base and other with DB as the base. So first area triangle ADE. It is half AD, which is the base, into EN, that is the height. Reason is area triangle is half base into height. We will select the second triangle where the base is DB and the triangle is area triangle BDE is equal to half DB into EN. The height is same for both the triangles. In the case of second triangle, it is obtuse angle triangle, therefore height lies outside the triangle. Now in the third step, we'll find a ratio of the areas of two triangles. And when you find a ratio of areas of two triangles, area triangle ADE upon area triangle BDE is equal to half AD into EN upon half DB into EN. Reason is ratio of areas of triangles. Here half and EN will get cancelled. And what we'll get is only AD upon DB. And if you look at AD upon DB is the left hand side of the what is asked to prove. Now we'll go ahead and we'll select two triangles, one with AE as the base and second with EC as the base. Figure is here once again. Now see, area triangle ADE upon area triangle BDE, just from the previous step, we get AD upon DB. Now we will take triangle with AE as the base, that is area triangle ADE upon area triangle CED, where we want EC as the base. It is half AE into DM. Height is same for the second triangle also. So half EC into DM. Again half DM will get cancelled and you will get area triangle ADE upon area triangle CED is equal to AE upon EC. Now look at statement 4 and statement 6. What we want to prove is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That is, we have to prove the right hand side of statement 4 is equal to right hand side of statement 6. To prove these two equal, we will go to the left hand side of the two statements. If you look at the numerator, it is same triangle, area triangle ADE, and in statement 6, it is also area triangle ADE. The denominators of both the statements, one is area triangle BDE and other is area triangle CED. You can see in the figure the two colored triangles, and both triangles are on the same base, that is DE, and between the same parallels, that is BC and DE. Now, since the two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, base is common and heights are equal because they are between the same parallels. So as a result, their areas are equal. Now see, statement 4, statement 6 and statement 7. If we bring together, it says the left hand side of statement 4 is equal to left hand side of statement 6. Therefore, right hand side of statement 4 is equal to the right hand side of statement 6. That is, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. We'll go through the entire theorem once again. Now, please don't learn the theorem by heart. Remember the concept. You will never able to learn the theorem by heart. First, we have to select, remember the two triangles, one with AD as the base and second is DB as the base. And then we have to select the two triangles with AE as the base and EC as the base. As a result of this, if you look at the statement 4 and statement 6, we get the required ratio on the right hand side, AD upon DB and AE upon EC. To prove these two ratios are equal, we are going to the left hand side. Left hand side, if you see, the numerators are same, area triangle ADE, and in statement 6 also, it is area triangle ADE. Denominators, area triangle BDE and area triangle CED, they are also equal because they are on the same base DE and between the same parallels BC and DE. Therefore, left hand sides of statement 4 and statement 6 are equal, and therefore the right hand sides of statement 4 and statement 6 are equal, and we get the answer what is asked to prove, that is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Let's go to the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Figure is same. What it says is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Here, exactly there the line was given parallel and we were asked to prove the ratio is equal. Here it is given ratios are equal. That is, if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, then DE is parallel to BC. For converse, we don't have the proof. Only for the basic proportionality theorem, there is a proof, a very important theorem from the chapter triangles. That's all for today. See you again next time with another theorem. Thank you.